Hey everyone, my name is Lauren. I am from Peabody, Massachusetts, which is about 20 minutes north of Boston or 40 minutes from the Regis campus. I have been a nurse for about 10 years now, and most of my experience is in critical care. The last year and a half, I've been working in hospice, which is my truest love. My hobbies, I like to work out. I've recently been getting back into running. I do spin. I like to spend time with my friends and family. And I also love to read. I'm really looking forward to getting back to reading for pleasure instead of for the course load when we finish our program. Something about my family. I have roots in Newfoundland, New Brunswick, Canada, Italy, and England. One thing about me that not many people know is that I'm a very spiritual person. I can be a really big goofball and I like to make people laugh, but I am seriously spiritual. I feel really connected to people, especially in my work. I feel like it's helped me a lot just to be able to connect with my patients and families. It's really important to me to connect in that way. My career goals, I obviously want to be in hospice. Upon graduating, I want to work probably for like 5 years. And then I would like to look into opening my own hospice house. And that's it. So thank you for watching.